question for you. I've been getting a lot of emails recently about whether I sharpen my own jointer or thickness planer blades, and by now you should know I don't. And in fact, if anything, I have yet to swap out the blades in my jointer, so I'm getting slightly rough cuts, but not rough cuts enough that I'm concerned about tear out. And the same thing with my thickness blades. Now, with the jointer, I will probably end up sending those out simply because it's easier for me. It's more of a convenience, and I actually happen to have a second pair, which maybe is something that all of you can do. But when it comes to the thickness planer, this particular model uses a set of disposable blades. There's a bevel on either edge, so once one is done, I can just flip it over, use the other side. And to be quite honest with you, the time and expense that it would take me to actually sharpen it myself, I know some of you are saying it's really easy. The infrequency that I have to change them, it's just not worth my time. So I'll just go out and buy some new ones. But that also made me think, when it comes to my jointer and thickness planer, these are tools I use for rough work. I don't take the stock I get out of my thickness planer and immediately incorporate it into my projects. I'll still end up taking it over and hitting it with a sander or a hand plane or a scraper to get me that final surface that I want. So that's probably actually my question to you in today's Matt's Minute is, one, do you sharpen your own blades? And two, how often do you do it? And three, are you not concerned like me about it? Because, again, this is a rough work machine for me. This isn't a final product machine. I'd love to hear your answer. So leave a comment either at YouTube, over in the show notes on the new website, or just drop me a line at mattsbasementworkshop@gmail.com. And again, I'd love to hear from all of you. Until the next time, straight grains and sharp blades.